Hey there everyone, and I thank you guys so much for hanging out with me right here at My Orchid Adventures, and I sure do hope that each and every one of you guys are having such a wonderful, beautiful, blooming day. Now, as for me, I definitely am having a beautiful, blooming day because as you can see, look at my beautiful blooming orchid tree right there. And you guys know last month it did get chopped extremely, so to be able to see this right here is a blessing. Now, if you guys follow My Orchid Adventures, you guys know that I recently had such a marvelous yard sale, garage sale orchid haul where I did find so many products that I could use for my orchids and also for my garden. And if you guys didn't see that video, I would suggest go ahead and click on that video now, right here, do it now, and you can see all the items that I did purchase and you can find out exactly how much buckaroonies I did save. Oh my. And these right here were my very favorite find of that garage sale day, where we did find some snow globes and magically transformed them into grow globes. So let's find out exactly what these grow globes are all about, and let's find out the multiple uses that we can use them for. These are actually DIY snow globes. You know, those Christmas globes that you usually see with a whole lot of glitter and some Christmas decorations in them. Well, that's exactly what they would be used for if you wanted to make one of your own. Well, we don't want to make a snow globe, but we do want to make something of a terrarium or perhaps even an orchid container, whatever you guys want to do. Now, these are actually very lightweight. They are made of plastic, so it is pretty easy by using some form of soldering tool to go ahead and make holes in these if you wanted to go ahead and use them as a decorative pot or container for your orchids. And because they unscrew and screw back on right here, again, it's so easy to use as a terrarium as well. Very nice to have on display. These right here are my grow globes, and as you can see, I am using them for multiple purposes. Some are actually being used for propagation, while others are being used as regular pots or terrariums, and some are even being used as rescue units. And excuse me and pardon me, but you will see some of these globes are a little bit fogged up because they're doing exactly what they're intended on doing, where it's holding in the moisture and also the humidity and also the warmth within the globe that's going to aid and assist the plant to grow. So indeed, they are doing exactly what they need to do. And in this particular grow globe right here, you are seeing a cutting that I took from a sweet potato plant. And at the bottom, you are seeing that fluid. That fluid is actually homemade aloe vera rooting gel that I'm making and I'm using for all of my propagations. And these two bulbophyllum patients right here are being held within these containers to give them a boost and also to revive them a bit. They were not doing so well in my outdoor environment. So indeed, we are containing them in these units, and we're also having them sit in this moistened sphagnum moss, which of course you guys know will provide them with the moisture that they need. So we're using these as terrariums. And right here we have a starter keiki that we're allowing to absorb all of that good nutrition from that aloe vera rooting gel right there. And we're going to allow her to sit in there for a day before we go ahead and pot her up. In these two containers right here, we're actually containing seedlings. So these are seedling community globes, where you are seeing these community of baby vandas and also a community of baby phalaenopsis. And taking a close look within this container right here, we are seeing baby succulent plants that I went ahead and soaked overnight in that aloe vera gel, and then we placed it within this container right here, and we also added that moistened sphagnum moss. We're gonna wait until we see substantial root growth, and then we'll pot this up as well. Now with this bulbophyllum right here, I do have in sphagnum moss within this container, but as you can see, they also have holes at the bottom for good water drainage. But at the same token, you are seeing that plastic wall around the bulbal film as well. So it's going to save some of the moisture and retain it for the plant. And in this way, it is getting best of both worlds right here. The drainage, but also the containment of the moisture. And that indeed is the way that we're putting these grow globes to good use, wouldn't you say? And just as a quick side note, because I did get a lot of questions in regards to how do you grow plants within a terrarium when they cannot get any oxygen. But the whole concept of growing in a terrarium is that you are creating a self-sustaining environment for the plant. So believe it or not, it is self-sustained and they can survive within these terrariums. But for you oxygen-loving folks, don't worry. Don't fret. If we take a look at the back side of the terrarium, you will actually see that they do have two holes that hold the hook. Yay! Also, if you guys are interested in purchasing your very own grow globe, you can always find them at local arts and crafts stores, or you can also find them online. I seen one particular company that was selling them for $1.99 each, and also I think Oriental Trade Company had them for like 12 of them for $13. Of course, they were a little bit of a smaller version, but still not a bad deal at all. And also, just as a little side note, this is the side of my orchid kennel right here that is designated for my propagation and also my rescue unit right here. So this is definitely where the globes will reside. So the grow globes will actually reside right outdoors. And there you have it, folks. That is an orchid / grow globe wrap. I hope this video has inspired you to keep your eyes open for the wonderful opportunities that are all around you. If you are creative enough, if you look, you shall indeed find. Thank you guys so much for this opportunity to spend time with you. Also, please let me know exactly what you guys think about these grow globes right here. And if you guys have ever played MacGyver and constructed your very own grow containers, please be sure to let me know and post those comments below. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to like, share, and also subscribe and turn on that bell notification button right there so you guys will know exactly when I do post a new video. And with that being said, you guys already know I do truly love and appreciate each and every one of you guys all, and I will see you guys later. And I'll also grow with you guys later as well. Bye-bye for now. Mwah.